Howdy folks, it's Handsome. Today we have a returning guest. This guest will constantly be on my feed, constantly. Before we get into that, hit that like, subscribe, comment, leave a comment, say something to your boy. Let's get back into this. So, this returning guest, the A74, has... Wow! Jeez, Manetti. Yes, another LCD screen. This guy dropped this off yesterday. He needs this done in literally 24 hours. I do not have any brand new A74 screens. I had to go up in the junkyard. Maybe one day I'll show y'all my junkyard. I had to grab a part off of a salvaged A74. Hopefully it works. If it doesn't, then I guess I'll have to show y'all my junkyard. We're gonna go ahead and do the tools of the day. It's the same ones. I just like to do that and I feel cool. So, got your cross point screwdrivers. Watch that video, link right up in there. Extravagant Enthusiasm. That's the name of my band. Then you got your curved tweezers, straight tweezers. Let me go ahead and show y'all this LCD screen real quick. We'll throw the battery in there. And gee golly whiz, I can't believe it still turns on, to be honest. So, I am only assuming the only thing wrong with this camera is the LCD screen, just to show y'all. Oh, let's cover that up. They don't sponsor me. And that was a piece of glass. Alright, we're going to try not to get any shards in us. It's okay, I'm fired. Alright, we're going to set you right over yonder. Let's go ahead and make this quick, fast, in a hurry. We're going to go ahead and start with my Favo 100, which is the Viewfindo. Alright, I know. I'm fired. It's okay. Man, hold up. Drink in my cup. Hope everybody's doing well, staying positive. I can't believe I haven't done an A74 LCD screen. You know what's crazy? I'm probably recording this and doing this, and I probably have one in the archive. Just can't. Keep up. Should I go live? I really want some comments to see if anybody would watch me repair live while I'm open. And I wonder if that would, if anybody, wow, there's a piece of glass. That's crazy. Oop, and that piece of glass fell into more pieces of glass. Wonder if anybody would watch me repair live. Never gone live. Ever. Ever. I'd have to show, some people have to show me how to do it. And then I'd have to watch my mouth. Pause. Boom. Shakalaka, shakalaka. Right. Let's go ahead and grab these over here. Over yonder. Comment. Should I go live? What's good? Did anybody watch? Did anybody even say anything? Or should I just stick to videos? Wow. This leatherette right here, boy. This leatherette right here is tough. Real tough. It's built for tough. I have to cut that out. They don't pay me. They don't pay me. Am I tripping? Has this been taken apart? Guess we about to find out, Billy. Alright, we're gonna take this bottom plate off because it's being a booger. Let's see something really quick. Yeah, that's what I thought. Alright. Good old flex cable. Yeah, real. Dang, I just realized, look at that. That is actually intense. Alright, let's get this. Ow. Let's get this off, man. Alright, we're going for these screws over here. Here. Kitty. Boom. There is glass everywhere. We're gonna take you off too, just for safekeeping. Come on. Okay. Come on, pop them out. There we go. So we're going to fold this back. Then we're going to take these two off. We're going to separate those, even though they look like the other ones. I wonder why the FX3 and 30 aren't like this. Oh yeah, I forgot. Grab this flex cable. Yep. Boom. We're gonna take this one. I usually throw it over my shoulder, but we're gonna see if we can make it in there. Yep. Your boy is, man, Kobe. Yiggle. I'm gonna put you right there. Oh, it goes right there. And then we're going to, you can see, boom, we're gonna scoot over a little more. Come on, get up in there. Oof. Make sure it's popped in. We got these guys right here. We're gonna put you in. Make sure they're tight. Then put this black one back in real quick. Small one goes in the corner. big one goes on top. Alright. We're right here. We're spinning. We're gonna... Alright. Now, for the big test. Dang. Glass everywhere. It's pretty gross, man. It's pretty gross. Let's see if I can put this in so y'all can see. Okay. I don't think I can, y'all. Hopefully. Okay, angle, boom. And that is in. Now you gotta line them things up right there. Alright, we're gonna put this on anyways because I don't feel like dealing with that thing popping out. So we'll put you in. Why I keep putting it in backwards? Alright, here's the test. Man, I'll tell you what, Billy. Let's make sure the touchscreen works. Touchscreen works. We're gonna go ahead and finish what we started down here. What in tarnation? Son of a bitch. I told you I'd be quick and easy. Let's do this side panel. Should have silenced my phone, but I did not. I love how they put a full-size HDMI in there instead of that small crappy one that's in the 3. Text messages flying. Dirty. Boom. Make sure the diopter is diopting. That, my friends, is how you change the LCD on an A7IV. Pretty simple. I'd say this is a beginner. Anybody could do it. Don't forget, hit that like, hit that subscribe, leave a comment. Should I go live? Stay positive, stay focused. Y'all know the drill, man. Peace!